Recently, Keychron released their most compact mechanical keyboard ever, the K6. Since I do not have a lot of space on my desk, I thought it would be perfect for me. The keyboard crams the alphabets, number row, the arrow keys, all together into a 4x12 rectangle. If it were any smaller, I would lose my precious arrow keys. The box comes with replacement keycaps for Mac and Windows, and the keycap remover. The keyboard can be connected via the included USB-C to USB cable, or up to 3 Bluetooth devices. It has a toggle for Windows and maxed out inputs. The build quality is solid. It has an aluminum trim just for kicks. The keycaps are matte and the colors are very neutral. They blend into my setup. The keys are pretty high off the table, so you will want a wrist rest. My model comes with Gateron Brown Switches, which offer a very pleasurable experience. The activation is tactile but smooth. I feel like my fingers are cutting into butter. I will give you a listen of the switches here, just keep in mind that the sound is way more satisfying in person. Now, onto my verdict. The Bluetooth mode is disappointing. Only 5 keys can register at the same time when connected via Bluetooth. The latency is also very noticeable, so I mainly use the keyboard with the cable. At $95, it's on the pricey side. The cheapest mechanical keyboards start at around $40 for blue switches and a few dollars more for brown switches. Function-wise, the K6 is not exactly worth the price. But I am a sucker for aesthetics, and this keyboard definitely delivers. It is simple, clean, and elegant. There are no obnoxious logos or gamer-esque designs, and I love this keyboard. This is my first YouTube video. If you liked it, please gently caress the like button. If you didn't like it, then take your anger out on the like button. And if you have suggestions, I'd love to hear in the comments. See you next time.